South Korea is battling its worst ever wildfires. A death toll from the blazes which has been raging for a week, has reached 28. But overnight rain has helped douse some of the fires. More than a dozen fires have ravaged large areas of the country's southeast, destroying an ancient temple and forcing around 37,000 people to evacuate. The flames have blocked roads and knocked out communication lines, causing residents to flee in panic. While the flames have been fanned by high winds and ultra-dry conditions, with the area experiencing below-average rains for months after South Korea experienced its hottest year on record in 2024. But it has now rained in the affected area, helping firefighters to contain some of the worst blazes. Officials have said that the rain reduced the haze, improving visibility, and the cooler temperatures created very favorable conditions for firefighting efforts.
It is advantageous to secure visibility due to less haze from last night's rain, and the temperature is lower than on other days, which is advantageous for forest fire extinguishing. We will make utmost efforts by using fire extinguishing helicopters and personnel. Fires had been put out in 85%, which is 22% increase compared to yesterday afternoon.
Now, as per South Korea's Interior Ministry, at least 28 people have been killed and 37 others are injured, out of which 9 have been seriously injured. The fatalities include a pilot whose helicopter crashed while trying to contain a fire, as well as 4 firefighters and other workers. More than 2,200 homes in the region have been destroyed and more than 35,000 hectares of forest have been burned. The extent of damage makes this South Korea's largest ever wildfire.